Today the handle from my cabinet broke off, and now I can't open it. But luckily I have a 3D printer, so I decided to make my own. One that looks even better than the old one. So let's build it! First I measured the components from the other cabinet. And then I modeled it in Fusion. Loaded on some golden filament. And printed. And when it finished, I installed it on the cabinet. And now look how gorgeous that looks. Oh, and don't forget to let me know in the comments what to print next.